Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can switch from one frame to another frame and switch back to parent frame from child frame. So here we are opening URL and then we are clicking on frames link and then we are clicking on nested forms link and then we are moving to first top frame, and inside that top frame we have left and right frames, so we are then moving to left frame and then we are moving to parent frame again. And when we are on the left frame we are getting the content of that page and then printing that content in our log, and then by switching to back to parent frame from the left frame and then printing the title of that page, and then we are switching to right frame and printing its content in log. And then this is the flow. So opening URL and then click on frames and then nested frames link, and then here we have two frames, top level frames, that is first top level and bottom, and then in top level frame we have left, middle and right frames. So in this example first we will move to left frame, printing its content in log, and then switching to right frame and printing its content. So let's run the test minus key and then test method. Test started running, and here opening the browser, opening URL, clicking on nested frames, and it's done. Thank you.